Hello, my dear friends. Today I will be teaching you about the historical development of sociology. Before studying about the historical development of sociology, I would like to tell about the contribution done by the five founding fathers of sociology. The name of the five founding fathers of sociology are none other than Auguste Comte, Herbert Spencer, Emile Durkheim, Karl Marx, and Max Weber. Now I will be teaching you about the branches of sociology which is introduced by Auguste Comte. There are only two branches, that is social static and social dynamic. The term static simply means stable and the term dynamic simply means changing. Now we will study about the societal development which is introduced by the Auguste Comte. Societal development simply means development of a society. In societal development we will be studying about the three stages. The name of the three stages is none other than theological stage, metaphysical stage, positivistic stage. What happens in theological stage? Theological stage means study of religion. Metaphysical stage means what happens in metaphysical stage. In metaphysical stage, awareness arises. In positivistic stage, what happens? Or you can just say that positivistic stage is also known as scientific stage. Now we will be moving towards the Herbert Spencer. What are the contributions done by the Herbert Spencer towards the development of sociology? But before reading about the contribution done by the Herbert Spencer towards the development of sociology, I would like to tell you what do you mean by the positivistic stage, which I have forgot to mention before. I haven't described that, so I want to make you understand clearly. So positivism, it is a research approach. It is the method of investigation, oldest method which is still working to find out facts. So now we will moving towards the contribution of Spencer towards the development of sociology. Spencer very strongly supported the view of Comte, that is Auguste Comte, who insisted on the need to establish a separate science of society, which is the number one contribution done by the Spencer. Now second is that he stressed upon the individual. He stressed upon the interdependency of the different parts of society. Spencer argued about the various parts of society such as the state and economy, which are also interdependent and work together for the survival of the entire system. Now, Spencer, through his theory of organic analogy, contributed towards the development of comparative studies in sociology, which is the third contribution done by the Spencer. Now we will be moving towards the fourth contribution. He emphasized the law of evolution and tried to universalize them. Now we will be moving towards the contribution done by our another founding father of sociology. He is none other than Emile Durkheim. He provided the most remarkable early analysis of scientific methodology in sociology. Now we will be moving towards the next founding father of sociology. He is none other than Max Weber. His stress upon the individual is the basic unit of society. Weber made his effort to establish a special method called the method of understanding in order to study the social phenomena. He is further stressed upon the importance of maintaining objectivity and neutrality of value judgment in social science. His study on bureaucracy and large scale organization working on the principle of rationality is remarkable and resourceable. Now we will move towards the next founding father contribution, that is none other than Karl Marx. Introduced the key concept in sociology like social class conflict, operation, alienation, etc. Now I want to teach you a short review of the historical development of sociology. These are some points we have discussed earlier. Now some points are new. So no problem, I will make you clear. First we will study from our August Comte. Course of Positive Philosophy was published in 1838. He published the Course of Positive Philosophy in 1838. He coined the term sociology. Now we will move towards the Herbert Spencer. Principle of sociology. He introduced the principle of sociology in 1876 and he developed the theories. He developed two theories, that is theory of social evolution, that is social Darwin's, and theory of society. Now we will move towards the third founding father. He is none other than Emile Durkheim. He introduced the rule of sociological method in 1895 and he also published the Society in 1897. Now, for more knowledge about the sociology, I would like to tell you some points. Course in sociology appeared in many universities in the 1890s. The American Journal of Sociology began its publication in 1895. American Sociological Society was organized in 1905. By 1930, several sociological journals of sociology began its publication. By how many? I mean by 1930s. So these are the historical development of sociology. I hope you all have understood clearly, my dear friends. So if you want such more videos, then please do subscribe our channel and support us. And you can like, share and comment also. So thank you, my dear friends, for watching. God bless you. Bye bye.